Hello everyone, Tanima here. This video is streaming in my YouTube handle at @justtanima_Barbie. Just in case you are curious, my YouTube venture is totally a personal endeavor as a voluntary virtual social outreach, and it has nothing to do with my profession, where I am engaged with research and teaching in the field of molecular biology and biotechnology in an institution in India. Though I initiated my channel with the intent of discussing different facets of mental health, I thought if I could monetize my YouTube channel, I could train the monetary aid for cancer research. I personally believe that education should be freely accessible to all. The reason for my present flexibility regarding including cancer biology in my YouTube videos is totally personal. I would try to keep my deliberations simple so that it would benefit at least some. The present video will introduce the topic Hallmarks of Cancer. This video partially discusses the paper entitled Hallmarks of Cancer, New Dimensions. The DOI of the same has been pasted in the description box. Keep viewing. The hallmarks of cancer were introduced as a collection of essential abilities acquired by human cells during their transition from normal to cancerous states, particularly abilities crucial for forming malignant tumors. In two of their publications, Bob Weinberg and Douglas Hanahan outlined what they believed were common traits shared by all cancer cells at the cellular level. Their aim was to create a framework to understand the complex characteristics of various human tumors in terms of a common set of cellular traits. Initially, they identified 6 hallmarks capabilities, later expanding to 8. Recognizing that cancer development involves multiple steps and that these capabilities may correspond to different stages of tumor formation. Despite the diverse pathways of tumor development and the tissue-specific challenges they face, their focus was on characteristics with broad relevance across all types of human cancers rather than specialized mechanisms specific to certain types or subtypes. The 8 hallmarks currently encompass the acquired abilities including number 1, sustaining proliferative signaling, number 2, evading growth suppressors, number 3, resisting cell death, number 4, enabling replicative immortality, number 5, inducing or accessing vasculature, number 6, activating invasion and metastasis, number 7, reprogramming cellular metabolism, and number 8, avoiding immune destruction. In a recent refinement of this concept, deregulating cellular metabolism and avoiding immune destruction were classified as emerging hallmarks. However, 11 years later, it's clear that, like the original 6, they are fundamental hallmarks of cancer and are now included as such in the current representation by the authors. As previously noted, these hallmark traits alone do not capture the complexities of cancer pathogenesis. They fail to explain the specific molecular and cellular mechanisms that allow pre-neoplastic cells to evolve and acquire abnormal phenotypic capabilities during tumor development and progression. To address this, the authors introduced the concept of enabling characteristics, which are consequences of the aberrant condition of neoplasia. These enabling characteristics provide the means of cancer cells and tumors to adopt these functional traits. Rather than being the 8 capabilities themselves, these characteristics pertain to the molecular and cellular mechanisms through which the hallmarks are acquired. The 2 enabling processes identified were genome instability and tumor-promoting inflammation. The authors also acknowledged that the tumor microenvironment, or TME, which includes diverse and interactive populations of cancer cells, cancer stem cells, and various recruited stromal cell types encompassing both the transformed parenchyma and the associated stroma plays a crucial role in tumorigenesis and malignant progression. This understanding is now widely accepted. Due to the ongoing interest in these formulations and the continued goal to foster discussion and refinement of the Hallmarks scheme, the authors found it worth addressing a common question. Are there additional features that should be included in this model to ensure its broad applicability to human cancers? Therefore, they introduced several potential new hallmarks and enabling characteristics that may eventually become core components of the cancer hallmarks framework. These include unlocking phenotypic plasticity, non-mutational epigenetic reprogramming, polymorphic microbiomes, and senescent cells. The examples that the authors provided to support these propositions were illustrative and not exhaustive, as there is an expanding and compelling body of published evidence for each. So friends, hope this video could introduce the topic on cancer hallmarks. Please don't forget to like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Here I would like to mention that the references that were used for preparing the video have been pasted in the description box, and if you're interested to look into the details, you might check the same. See you soon with yet another video on cancer biology. Till then, take care, keep well, bye.